This tutorial will walk you through setting up a Facebook ad that effortlessly directs users to your Messenger and App Store, boosting your sales effectively. Let's get started. Before diving in, let's understand what Facebook ads are. They assist in reaching specific audiences, increasing engagement and conversions, while also providing tools to analyze and enhance campaign performance for better returns on investment. Now, let's go through the steps to create your Facebook ad directing customers to your Messenger and App Store. Setting up your Facebook ads involves several simple steps. Please ensure you have access to your Meta Ads Manager and your Chat Genie dashboard. Creating an ad objective. On your Meta Ads Manager page, go to Campaigns and click the Create button. Select Sales as an ad objective since it's the best way to drive more sales into your in-app store. Click Continue. Choose a campaign setup. Select Manual Sales Campaign. Select Continue. Name your ad campaign. Next, go to the new sales ad set and fill out the necessary details. For conversion location, choose website. Select maximize number of conversions as your performance goal. Choose your pixel. If you haven't created one yet, simply click Create Pixel to generate a new pixel for tracking purposes. For the conversions event, select Purchase. Next, set your budget. Choose between daily budget and lifetime budget, then input the amount for the specific budget. Choose your target run dates for the schedule. Select the locations you want to target. Set your ad audience's age. For placements, you can customize your ad placement options or keep them as they are. Once done, proceed to set the specifics of your creative assets by clicking Next. Setting up creative assets. First, set your ad name. Choose the Facebook account that you will be using for the ad. Modify the ad setup. Create ad, use existing posts or use Creative Hub mockup posts. For the ad creative, click Add Media, then select Add Image. Upload the photo you will be using for your ad, then click Next. Please ensure that Original is selected as the option, as Facebook may automatically choose other radio buttons at times. Additionally, you have the option to replace the material with the correct dimensions if desired. After making your selection, click Next to proceed. Click Done. Input primary text and headline. Input description. Select Shop Now as your call to action. To generate a website URL or a product payload for this instance, follow these steps. Generating a website URL or a product link. To facilitate this process, you can generate the website URL for your Messenger and App Store. Additionally, if your ad is focused on a specific product, you can create a product link for that item. To generate a referral link for your Messenger store, navigate to your Chat Genie dashboard and click the referral button. On the top right corner, select Add. Specify your desired referral link name. Enter the referral link, which can be a code or a word appearing at the end of your link. Choose a sales channel and click Add. Once you've generated your referral link, simply copy it. To generate a product link, go to Categories and Products. Select Products. Choose your preferred product and click the Share Product Link button. Select Copy. Navigate to the Referrals section. On the top right corner, select Add. Specify your desired referral link name. Paste the product link. Choose a sales channel and click Add. Once you've generated your referral link, simply copy it. Finalize and Publish Ad. Go back to your Ads Manager page and paste the link on the website URL space. Once done, you can publish your ad and you're good to go. As a result, when customers click the purchase button, they will be seamlessly redirected to the product and can complete their purchase instantly within their Messenger inbox. You can track clicks and orders generated by your product payload link on your ChatGenie dashboard to optimize your strategy for enhanced engagement and conversions. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team. Stay updated by visiting our website regularly and following us at chatgenie.ph for the latest updates and discussions.